Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn EVS1 Chapter 16 Day and Night. Observe and study the causes of the differences. Picture A. It is morning in picture A. 6:45 a.m. is the time shown in the clock. As the sun rises, we get light from the sun. Therefore, we can see the things around us clearly. It is evening in picture B. 6:45 p.m. is the time shown in the clock. As the sun sets, we do not get light from the sun. Therefore, we cannot see the things around us clearly. What is day and night? The earth gets light from the sun. The earth's shape is like a very large ball. While going around the sun, the earth turns around itself. The spinning of earth around itself is called the rotation of earth. The light of the sun does not reach the entire earth at one and the same time. Half of the earth gets sunlight while the other half remains dark. We say that it is day in the half that gets light, while in the other half, where sunlight does not reach, it is night. Every day we see day chasing night and the night chasing day. This cycle goes on without stopping. Just as the top spins around about itself, the earth too turns around itself. So the part of the earth that is getting sunlight goes into darkness, and the part that is in darkness comes into light. That is where there is the day, it becomes night after some time, and where there is night, it becomes day. Do you know the sun rises in the east in the morning and moves towards the west? In the evening, the sun sets in the west. So we feel that the sun goes around the earth. But that is only an impression. Actually, the earth turns around itself. That is why we have day and night on the earth. This spinning of earth around itself is called the rotation of the earth. The whole day has 24 hours, but are there always 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness? If that were true, we would have sunrise every morning at 6 o'clock and sunset every evening at 6 o'clock too. What do you see in November? The sun rises at a little later every day, while it sets a little earlier every day. In the month of May, the sun rises a little earlier every day and sets a little later every day. What does this tell us? In November, the days become shorter and shorter, while night becomes longer. In May, the days become longer and longer, while the night becomes shorter and shorter. Thus, we are now sure that day and night are not of 12 hours each all year around. Do you know, in the whole year, 22nd March and 22nd September are the only dates on which day and nights are of equal length, that is, of 12 hours each. On 22nd March, day and night are both 12 hours long. Then in our part of the earth, daytime increases slowly and nighttime decreases. This goes on till 21st June. On 21st June, our day is the longest and the night is the shortest. From 21st June to 22nd September, In our part of the earth, daytime becomes shorter and shorter and night becomes longer. On 22nd September, our day is of 12 hours and night too is of 12 hours. From 22nd September to 22nd December, the days continue to become shorter and the night continues to become longer. On 22nd December, our night is the longest and the day is the shortest. From 22nd December to 22nd March, the day grows longer and the night shorter. This goes on till 22nd March. From 22nd March, this cycle repeats again. When the days are longer and the nights are shorter, it is summer. When the nights are longer and the days are shorter, it is winter. What we have learned today. As the light of the sun does not reach the whole earth at the same time, there is daylight on half of the earth, while there is darkness on the other half. The earth spins around itself, so the part that faces the sun goes on into darkness, and the part that is in the dark comes into the light. That is why we have day and night on the earth alternately. The whole day has 24 hours, but in the whole year, only on 22nd March and September 22, we do have both day and night of 12 hours each. From December to June, the day gets longer, while from June to December, the days get shorter. Always remember, there is a connection between the seasons and the changing length of days and nights. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.